Hey folks, this is Jacob at Gog's Camperway in Mankato, Minnesota. Today we have in our 2015 Jayco White Hawk 27 DSRL. So this will have a double slide and a rear living room, a couple doors in the front. We do have our power tongue jack. Right behind there is our LP cylinders, a pair of 20-pound, and our battery back here. Looks like there's room for two. We do have our pass-through storage. Other side will be our refrigerator. We got a little bit of storage here. Have our outdoor shower, our city water connection, and our holding tanks. We have one black and one gray on this unit. Got a nice big window in the rear living area. We do have a ladder, full-size spare tire. This one is a 30 amp as well. So we got the water, the cable, satellite output there. Have our furnace, a couple low point drains on the front here. There's one here and one by the steps. Another door for your bedroom. Here we have refrigerator and some storage. Take a look inside. It does have the power awning as well. I don't have it out because the wind would just blow it away. So, a couple outdoor speakers. Alrighty. So, pretty nice layout. Got a couple recliners here, a couple rockers, some storage above. We do have our control center here. So you got your awning, your slide out, your indoor-outdoor lights, and then the water heater, whether it's gas, electric, you got your water pump. Check battery life, batteries, and how full your tanks are. Nice sofa here. We do have a dinette, converts to a bed, some storage below. Got the kitchen, tons of countertop space here, storage, bunch of drawers. Microwave. It does have a 3-burner stovetop oven. This one does have a gas or electric refrigerator and freezer. Roof AC. Tons of natural light in here. We have our entertainment center and our radio that controls inside and out. Tons of storage. Board games, DVDs, movies. Got room for it all. And then there's the thermostat right to the left of the refrigerator. Bathroom, we have our sink, a little bit of storage underneath, plug-in, medicine cabinet, shower. Nice walk-in shower. Plenty of headroom. And our toilet. Some storage behind it. Tons of hooks and racks for towels and whatnot. Then we have the bedroom. I believe this is a queen size bed. There is storage underneath. I'll show you that in just a sec. Storage on both sides. Place to hang your clothes. Some overhead storage. This one does already have a TV mounted. There's a couple plugins for you there. And we got the bed storage. That'll wrap things up here. Again, guys, this is a 2015 Jayco White Hawk 27 DSRL. This is on our website. Go check it out. Also, if you want to come see it in person, give us a call at 507-345-5858. Again, this is Jacob, and thanks for watching.